So today we will learn about conductance. The conductance expressed is C. Okay. The definitions: the case with which the current is flow in a conductor is called conductance. Okay. So the conductor current flow हुआ को conductance को it is also defined as the reciprocal of the resistance. Okay. So conductance also defined as the reciprocal of the resistance. We know the resistance equal to R, the conductance C equal to 1 by R. So C equal to 1 by R. This is R. The unit of C, in case of unit of C by conductance, we know that the unit of resistance is ohm. So unit of conductance equal to ohm inverse. Okay. Or it is called mho. Then we will learn specific conductance. Okay. So we know that resistance proportional to length. That means length of the conductor. Here R equal to resistance and L equal to length of the conductor. Suppose this is a conductor and this is the length of the conductor. Resistance of the conductor directly proportional to L of the conductor, length of the conductor. Okay. Similarly, resistance of conductor is inversely proportional to the cross-sectional area of the conductor. That means R proportional to 1 by A. Here A equal to area of the conductor. Here A is the area of the conductor. So one thing is that we learn R proportional to length of the conductor, and second one is R proportional to area, inversely proportional to area of the conductor. Suppose this one is equation 1 and this is suppose equation 2. So from equation 1 and 2 we have R proportional to L by A. Previously we have done this thing. So we got R proportional to L by A. So R equal to rho L by A. Here rho equal to specific resistance. Okay, that implies rho equal to RA by L. This is equation number how much? This is equation number suppose 3i. So here rho equal to specific resistance. So specific conductance K is the reciprocal of the specific resistance. That means K equal to 1 by rho. Here K is the what? This is specific conductance and rho is equal to specific resistance. So specific conductance we got from the where? Conductance, specific resistance got from the resistance. So we know that K equal to 1 by rho and rho value is RA by L. Rho equal to RA by L. That means K equal to L RA. K is what? Your K is the specific conductance. L is this is specific conductance. L is the length of conductor. R equal to resistance of conductor, and A is the area of the conductor. That implies this thing we can write this by this form, that is K equal to 1 by R into LA, or so K equal to 1 by R LA, or K equal to L by A into 1 by R. Okay, so here L by A is called cell constant. Is called your cell constant, and 1 by R equal to conductance. Okay, that implies your K equal to L by A into conductance C. That implies K equal to L by A into C. Here C is the conductance of the conductor. So unit of K. So K equal to unit of K. Now we will study about unit of K. K equal to L by A into C. Here L is the length, so that it is semi. A is the area of the conductor, so it is semi square, and unit of conductance is ohm inverse. That implies semi inverse into ohm inverse. It is the unit of what? This is the unit of the conductance. Okay, so specific conductance equal to L by A into conductance. We calculate this, and L is equal to semi, A equal to semi square, conductance unit is ohm inverse. So this is unit of the conductance will be Cm inverse ohm inverse. This thing we may write like this: for the ohm, mho semi inverse. This is the unit of the specific conductance. Okay. Now we will study about equivalent conductance. Equivalent conductance. So equivalent conductance it is expressed as lambda cube. Okay. In case of definition, the definition will be it is the conducting power of all ions, is the conducting power of all ions produced by 1 gram equivalent of substance in a given volume of solutions. That means, suppose we take electrolyte here, and its amount is suppose 1 gram equivalent, and its volume suppose VCC. Then this 1 gram equivalent of substance will produce the ions. The conducting powers of all the ions produced by this 1 gram equivalent of substance is called the equivalent conductance. Lambda Q. Okay, that means is a container ভিতরে 1 gram equivalent ro electrolyte ନେଲେ ଯେ ଯେତିକ ଆୟନ ପ୍ରଡ୍ୟୁସ୍ କରିବ ସେତିକ ଆୟନ ଯେତିକ ଇଲେକ୍ଟ୍ରିସିଟି କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କରିବେ सेटा होची कौन इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस. दिस इज कॉल्ड योर इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस. ओके, सो हियर वी मे राइट द रिलेशन बिटवीन इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस, रिलेशन बिटवीन इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस and specific conductance. The relation between equivalent conductance and specific conductance. Here, specific equivalent conductance EQ equal to K into V. Here, the lambda Q equal to equivalent conductance. Here K equal to specific conductance and V equal to volume of solution in CC. That is V equal to volume of solution in CC that contain 1 gram equivalent of substance. So here we got what? We got K equal to, we got equivalent conductance equal to K into V. So also we know that V equal to 1000 by C. Why V equal 1000 by C? Because here volume of the solution in CC that contain 1 gram equivalent of substance. Here suppose this C, here C equal to concentration of the solution. Then if C amount of substance if present in 1000 ml of the solution, then that means C gram equivalent of substance present in 1000 1000 cc of solution. Suppose let C gram equivalent of substance present in 1000 cc of solution, then 1 gram equivalent of substance will be present in 1000 by C cc of the solutions. So that means suppose C gram equivalent of substance present in 1000 cc of solution. Cc means cubic centimeter. Okay, so 1 gram equivalent nele C ta divide he jo 1000 by C. This is the cc of the solution. এই এতিক cc রে কেতে গ্রাম ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট আছে 1 গ্রাম ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট অফ সাবস্টান্স অছন্তি. সো 1 গ্রাম ইকুইভ্যালেন্ট অফ সাবস্টান্স টা র ভলিউম আমি কেতে নেইছে হিয়ার আমি নেইছে দ্যাট ইজ v equal to volume of solution in cc that contain 1 gram equivalent of substance. So we can write so that we can write v equal to 1000 by cc. Suppose this is the equation 1 and we got v equal to 1000 by cc. Then by putting the value of v equal to 1000 by c in equation 1 we have k equal to equivalent conductance equal to k into 1000 by c. Here C also called as normality of the solutions. Okay, so we can write the equation. To is like that: equivalent conductance equal to k into 1000 by normality. This is the equivalent conductance. So we can write the equation 2 in following form, like equivalent conductance equal to k into 1000 by c. C जगह में normality लिखे देले कहीं कि ना c टा को हमें कौन एक्सप्रेस करते normality of the solutions. Again I repeat this equivalent conductance. Suppose we are studying equivalent conductance. Equivalent conductance is expressed as lambda q. In case of the definitions, definition कौन कहूची? It is the conducting power of all ions produced by 1 gram equivalent of substance in a given volume of solutions. Suppose a container in a vessel 1 gram equivalent of substance or electrolyte is present, then 1 gram equivalent of substance produce the ions. That ion carry the electric charge, that is called the equivalent conductance. ता माने गोटे कंटेनर रे 1 ग्राम इक्विवेलेंट सब्सटेंस नेला परे से जेतिको आयन्स प्रोड्यूस करिवो सेतिको आयन जेतिको इलेक्ट्रिक करंट कंडक्ट करिवे सेटा कोन कहूचे ना इक्विवेलेंट कंडक्टेंस. So आमे तापर देखिबा ना we will see the relation between equivalent conductance lambda q and specific conductance. So relation कौन कहूची? Relation tells that equivalent conductance equal to specific conductance into V. So here lambda q is the equivalent conductance, k is the specific conductance, and V is the volume of solution in cc. That means V is the volume of solution cc that contain 1 gram equivalent of substance.